Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a black smoky eyeshadow for you guys. And I already did my eyebrows, concealer, foundation, primer, all that. And today I'm gonna be using this palette right here. It's a soft palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And these are the colors that I'm gonna be using today. First, I'm gonna be going in with a really neutral color, and it's gonna be this color right here. I'm gonna put it all over my base. And I'm just putting it all over my lid. Now I am gonna go in with a really neutral color, and it's gonna be this color right here. I'm gonna be using this one, and then I'm gonna be using this brush right here. And also I'm just gonna put it all over my lid and my crease and the top of my crease. Now I'm gonna be using this light brown right here, and I'm also gonna be doing the same thing, putting it on my lid and my crease and the top of my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this red, brown, burnt color, and I'm gonna get closer to my crease.
Blackout.
I'm just trying to blend the colors all together as much as I can so it won't look rough. I'm gonna be going in really dark, and I'm gonna be using this dark brown right here. And also I'm just going in the crease. And there we go. That's how it's coming out. I'm gonna be going in with the black color right here. And with this one, you have to be really, really careful you don't get it out of your crease, only on your lid. And then just try to blend it after. And I'm gonna be using this kind of small brush. First, I'm just gonna tap it on. Wow, this is a really, really dark black.
See.
Now I'm gonna blend it, the black with the browns, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. I'm just gonna touch it a little bit, get a little bit, and I'm just blending in the crease, blending the two colors together, the black and the dark brown. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the burnt red brown color, and I'm gonna be doing the bottom of my eyes.
Saying.
I'm going to take off all my setting powder. I know I have some fallout on my face, but it's okay because how I have the setting powder is not gonna damage my foundation or anything like that. So let me get a brush and clean my face. Now I am gonna be doing my waterline, and I'm gonna be using this black pencil from M.A.C. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on my blush and also my highlight and my mascara and eyelashes.
Say 98.
these are the lashes that I'm gonna be using, and they're Lashkitty, and the name of them are Glam On. They are really extra and full. They're so pretty. That's how they look. So now that I am done putting on my eyelashes, and now I'm gonna be doing my lips. I am gonna be using the M.A.C lip liner in cork, and I'm gonna be lip lining my lips, and then also I'm gonna be using the Anastasia matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Sand, and this is how it looks. So this is it. This is how my makeup came out, and the smoky eyeshadow. I love it. Also, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel, and also thank you so much for watching my videos. I know that a lot of you want to get to know me a little bit more, so I am gonna be making a video soon about me answering questions about myself, and then also I am not gonna be doing my makeup when I upload that video. I don't know, probably eating or being with my friends so they can ask me the questions and I can answer it. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching me do my makeup, and see you next time.